Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2005 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible in machine silver metallic on black leather interior with the Z51 package. So we'll just start over at the rear of the vehicle. We've got the trunk lid raised here so you can have a look at the trunk space. So a nice sized trunk here. It is designed by GM to hold 2 sets of golf clubs. Probably not your touring bags, but definitely carry-on bags. In the corner here we have storage, and same thing over on this side. There's also, let's see, a tire inflation kit, wheel locks, and some instructions about the top as well. So we'll close that, and this is a partition here, so this does fold down flat when the top is in the up position, giving you more through space as well. So we'll go ahead, we'll close this, we'll have a look from the back. So it's got the nice circular taillights there. We've got the quad tip exhaust in the center, and we'll just shift around this side. So here's your rear wheel. So we've got the nice polished aluminum wheels. We've got red calipers, the cross-drilled rotors with the Z51 pack, and nice Goodyear Eagle tires on there as well. So we'll move over to the passenger side. So here's the door skin. We've got power locks, power windows, electronic door release, and a premium 7-speaker Bose stereo. Here's the kick plate on the passenger side. It's in good shape, as you can see. A few little minor scuffs in the black sticker there, but that's expected. And we've got power seat, power 4, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and sorry, I said recline. It's not power recline, it's manual recline. And I'll just go ahead and scan up that seat so you can see the condition. Looks good. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And we'll have a look here on the glove box. So we've got the books with this one, and there is the ability to turn the airbag on and off there as well. Close that up and just have a look at the dash. So the dash is in good condition, as you can see. And we've got the embossed Corvette logo here as well. So we'll hop out, we'll close this side up. And I'll just step to the back of the vehicle and we'll move along this side of the car so you can see the condition. Looks sharp. So at the front, again, we've got the nice polished aluminum wheel. We've got the red painted calipers, painted rotors with the cross drilled from the Z51 pack, and the nice Goodyear Eagle F1 tires. Under the hood, we've got the V8 6-liter LS2, which is 400 horsepower, and that's paired to a 4-speed automatic transmission. As you can see, it's nice and tidy and clean, looks good. And we've got the nice hood liner there with the Corvette embossed in it as well. So we'll go ahead, we'll close this. We'll have a look here from the front. So from the front, we've got the clear projector headlight housings with the projector HUD bulbs. So it's nice and bright for you to see at night. In terms of condition, we'll just have a close look here. See what we can see. So there is a few little minor stone chips, which is expected. They're the size of a pinhead. There's a couple here, but nothing major, right? You're just things you're going to get going down the road. Overall, it looks like it's in really good shape. So we'll move around this side here. Here's your other front wheel. So again, nice polished aluminum wheels, red calipers, painted rotors with the cross drilled from the Z51, and the Goodyear Eagle F1 tires. And same thing back here. Awesome. So we'll move on to the driver's side. So again, we've got our power locks, our power mirrors, power windows. We've got 2 user programmable memory seats with a programmable exit button as well, and that nice Bose stereo. Here's the kick plate on the driver's side. So again, a little bit of scuffing on it, but that's expected. You know, that's what it's there for. So for the power seat, you got power 4, aft, up and down, power lumbar, side bolster adjustment, and manual recline. And I'll just go ahead and scan up that seat so you can see the condition. Awesome. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and tidy. We'll get in, we'll fire this one up. So in terms of kilometers, we have 89,101. No warning lights or issues there on the dash. So here's the steering wheel on the 05. It's got the Corvette logo here in the center. On the stock, we've got cruise control, we've got our headlight control and fog light control. Up here, we've got heads-up display controls. So I'll turn off the lights for a moment, and there you are. So you've got your heads-up display, and down below, we've got our PowerTop. dimmer switch for the dash, fuel door release, and trunk release. We've got manual tilt on this side, and we've got power telescopic steering column on this side. Push button start, and then we've got the information screen controls here. Here's your upgraded double-din stereo. So it is GPS, and it's got Bluetooth. We'll hit home. We've got Sirius XM. So lots of different options here, and there's also a reverse camera, which is a really nice feature as well. We'll move this out of the way. We've got our dual zone automatic climate control and 2 heated seats. We've got a 12-volt socket and a ashtray there. You've got cup holders here. There's your 4-speed automatic shifter with leather wrapped boot, traction control on and off, and then in here the oil change has been done, and we've got a 12-volt socket. There's your auto dimming rear view mirror, and up top we've got home control buttons as well. So I'll go ahead and put the top up. So we'll just press the button here, the lid opens, and then the top will come out, and then the lid will close. So I'll just show you that. There it is. So now all we have to do is lock that into place like so, and we'll put the windows up, and we'll just hop out with it running. We'll have a look and a listen. Nice strong sounding motor, and I'll just show you here from the front with it running with the headlights on. And we'll just move along this side of the car so you can see the condition. Awesome, and I'm just gonna stop here and I'll show you the top. So no rips or tears, looks good. And here it is from the back. Nice looking car. And there you have it, folks. 2005 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.